The top news headlines. Anti-cap slogan rings out in Manipur at massive public rally. And Assam Rifle seizes narcotics worth ₹6 crore at Khuding Thabi post. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. A huge anti-K public march was carried out across Manipur under the banner of Manipur Peoples Against Citizenship Amendment Bill, MANPAC. Rallies were carried out across the northeast to register a regional protest against the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill, CAPE 2016. MANPAC convener Yumnamcha Dilip said the protest was taken in all the districts. Dilip pledged that MANPAC will continue to oppose the bill until it is totally withdrawn by the centre. President of Northeast Forum for Indigenous People, NAFIF, Ningthauza Lancha, declared, "We will have to make our own future if Home Minister Amit Shah refuses to listen to our demand for protection of the indigenous people of the Northeast." Meanwhile, joining the anti-cap protest, human chains were staked by students at Manipur University, Johnstone Higher Secondary School, Imphal, CC Higher Secondary School, Imphal, and Universal Students Academy, Singjamei.
Mahairoi singna college satra ki satra singna magi oiba school ki college ki institution singi amasung dukan ki phamba singna kaithen phamba singna magi dukan ki mamang da kaithel ki mamang da thorak laga asigumba 11:30 dagi asigumba clearance call ase miyam ki makeup thokne haibagi makeup thokna naba amasung sebi ki mayok da lepi haiba khangna nabagi bel asi khangdana miyam ase yakai bani asigumba khongjang ase ngasi dagi haurga leptana changsin gani aduga matam gi oina changsin gadaba tongan ba khongjang adudi matam chana lauthok tarakani asigumba MANPAC na silliba khongjang ase North East state singda sebi chanaba yaroi haibagi akan mu kholaw aduni.
Then we have to decide our own future in our own way. Yellow me Madugi Mayak Lara Kudam Dong, Clarion Call, Kingi Bakangsi, Lauri Kola Mayam Sina Makoy, the Kangan Baduning a second Toribus. Democratic in a sensitization, quite out Mian Kudimak, Mikap Tongani, how you awang no problem, Kunimak, Achimasida, Indiana, Karimushitabataraba, Adu Oibataragadi, Indiana. Mitop Singbo, Yellow Midagi Hena, I can Nungsi Haiba, couldn't pire Hydra Kangani.
Meanwhile, MANPAC submitted a memorandum to Chief Minister of Manipur in Birend with regard to Citizenship Amendment Bill. In the memorandum, MANPAC requests him to keep in the loop of any action initiated from his side in this regard, so that people and elected leaders go side by side on this issue. MANPAC, on behalf of NRFIP, also submitted a memorandum to Prime Minister through Governor of Manipur, Najma Heptullah, expressing the sentiment of the people of the northeastern region against the proposed bill. The NAFIP memorandum states that if Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 is enacted, it will create demographic imbalance to the already fragile indigenous population and pose grave danger to ever existence of indigenous population of Northeast. Anti-CAPE protests were also staged in other states of the Northeast. In Nagaland, the Joint Committee on Prevention of Illegal Immigrants (JCPL) and Northeast Forum for Indigenous People (NAFIF) held a march against Cape in Kohima. A press statement issued by Media Cell JCPL said the march is a follow-up of the decision taken during the first NAFIP Central Executive Council meeting held at Kohima to launch a regional protest against the contentious bill, terming it as imperative for the indigenous people of the region to have a common front representing the entire northeastern region to voice our collective concern. The press statement said the NAFIP and JCPL strongly oppose the proposed Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 in its present form. Acting on a tip-off, 12 Assam rifles seized 20,000 pieces of WI tablets and 3.300 kg of brown sugar at Kudingthabi checkpost along Imphal-More Road last evening. The narcotics were seized from one Pauminlan Haukip, aged 29 years, hailing from S. Langnom village, Senapati district. The drugs were found concealed inside an onion bag and a blanket. The drugs are estimated to be worth ₹6 crore in international market. He was later handed over to Moreh police station for further investigation, according to reports. Punsi Kaithel Apunbal Loop and Thangmaiban Auto Union also supported the mass protest against Citizenship Amendment Bill organized by MANPAC under the aegis of Northeast Forum for Indigenous People. Women vendors take a human chain protest along Nagamapal against CAPE 2016. They chanted slogans condemning the bill.
No research data! No research data! No research data! No research data! No research data!
Sangai Pro Kabui Khul also joined the anti-CAPE protest. The protesters held placards that read CAPE 2016 be completely withdrawn from Northeast India. Stop racial war against Mongoloid people and self-indigenous people. And now, time for a short break. Stay tuned for more updates after the break.
Nupi aikoigidi khongthang khuding seksiningai gi seksiningai ngaktani. Mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli. Adubu mahausayi khongchatnina khudung thiningai atumak oi. Manipur da ahan boina iramdam masida sajaba ningol khudo. Adubu ngasidi akhoi chingnaningai oidre. Aikoigidamak Bright Enterprises ki ningol khudo.
Welcome back. Nambol Apunba Maira Paibi Loop also supported the mass rally organized by MANPAC. Members of Nampal and Women Folk from Human Chain along Tidim Road at Nambol Kaithel. The protesters chanted slogans such as "Don't implement CAPE in Manipur, save indigenous people." District police took up security measures to avoid unwanted incidents. Various parts of Moirang block in Bishnupur district also witnessed protests against the contentious CAPE. The Moirang Kendra Punba Mera Pai Bima Loop Mampil held a human chain protest at Moirang Bazaar. Placards that read "No CAPE in Manipur, no CAPE in Northeast" were held by the demonstrator who shouted slogans against the bill. Students also formed a human chain against the bill. Kaino also witnessed anti-CAPE protests. Protesters, including students, formed a human chain at Kaino Kaithel. Inam Apunwa Mera Paibi Loop also formed human chain. Kumbi College and Film Forum Manipur also organized human chain protest against CAPE. In Thaubal, All Manipur Students Union, Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur and Manipur Students Federation, Manipur the Manpack, formed human chain along the National Highway Imphal-Moree Road against CAPE. Manpack, Jiri and NAFIP organized a sit-in protest at Congress Bhawan under the banner Mass Public Protest against Citizenship Amendment Bill in Northeast India. Well, let's take a short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Mega Monsoon Offer. Be a lifetime subscriber of lamjingbatomtv daily newspaper at ₹10,000 only. For more details, please come and visit our lamjingbatomtv office at Uripok Laikurembi Laikai, Imphal West, or contact us at 8837353352 or 9402991938.
Welcome back. Earthquake measuring 4.6 on the Richter scale jolted Manipur capital Imphal at 11:45 this morning. The quake measured 4.6 on the Richter scale according to Seismological Observatory, Manipur University, Kanchipur. The earthquake was felt mildly in Manipur area of Manipur state. The epicenter was located in Sawombung subdivision of Imphal East District, Manipur, which is located 15 km northeast of Manipur University, 2 km northeast of Sanjenbam. The depth of the earthquake is estimated as 46 km. However, there were no reports of casualties or damage to properties. Kakching MLA Sur Chandra stated that while pushing for any bill or act, the state interest must be considered first. Sur Chandra added that the onus is upon Chief Minister in Biren to impress upon the Prime Minister and Home Minister to prevent the bill from impinging on Manipur's interests. Inaugurating an Ima Suites at Pauna Bajar, Imphal, MLA Sur Chandra further said that the public members should try to control emotion whilst taking anti-CAPE protests. He suggested that the matter needs to be deliberated in length before taking any hasty step.
Basically, the Honorable Sema Home Superior Natro, and the cabinet minister Salaga, Natraga party delegation of BJP government delegation Salaga, Prime Minister, Home Minister, me India, Anidu Neba, Anidu Unatokusedi, immediately Darkar Ibrahim Kali.
Tripura is going to get 2 more universities in short time as the state government has already issued letter of intent to the concerned institutes. Education Minister Ratan Lal Nath said it will further enlarge the scope of higher education in the state. One of these 2 will be a Buddhist university at Sebrum, the southernmost town of Tripura that has already earned fame as center of Buddhist learning, and the second one also will be in South Tripura district to be set up by Kerala-based Kalams University. The government has issued letter of consent to the concerned authorities, but they will have to purchase land for it on their own. These 2 higher education institutes will be in addition to already 3 universities in the state: the Tripura Central University, AMBB University, and the ICFI University. The term for Armed Forces Special Power Act AFSPA has been extended for 6 more months in 3 districts of Arunachal Pradesh. The center has taken these 3 districts as disturbed area. The 3 district area, Tirab, Changlang and Longding, which fall in the jurisdiction of 4 police stations in the districts of Arunachal Pradesh, bordering Assam. The chain-down has also been extended in the 4 police stations are Namsai and Mahadepur police stations in Namsai district, Roing police station in Lower Dibang Valley district and Sunpura police station in Lohit district. In a notification of the Home Ministry, it notified Tirab, Changlang and Longding district in the Arunachal Pradesh and the areas falling within the jurisdiction of the following 4 police stations in other districts of Arunachal Pradesh bordering the state of Assam are declared as disturbed area under Section 3 of the Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958 up to March 31, 2020 with effect from October 1, 2019 unless withdrawn earlier. China has launched an aviation war against India in Myanmar after Indigo on September 20 introduced a Kolkata-Yangon flight. The Kunming Airlines has decided to launch 2 direct flights to Yangon and Mandalay. So far, there were no direct flights between any Indian city and Myanmar, and passengers used to travel mostly via Bangkok. With introduction of the non-stop Indigo flight, a lot of Buddhist tourists are now likely to visit Bodh Gaya on pilgrimage. With introduction of the 2 Kunming Airlines flights, tour operators in Myanmar are euphoric because they expect more Chinese tourists to visit during the winter months. In fact, Chinese airlines companies have identified Myanmar has a few attractive destinations. At present, there were 26 routes connecting Myanmar and China compared to only 6 routes in 2018. Kunming Airlines is likely to start services to both the cities from mid-October. Manipur celebrated boxer MC Mary Kom will be eyeing a record extending 7 goals in the competition which gets underway in Ulan-Ude in Russia from today. In her 8th World Championship appearances till date, Mary has bagged 6 gold medals and a silver medal. Her most recent achievement was in 2018 in New Delhi. Mary said that the pressure is still there but can handle it. She also said that a lot of experience and competing in many international has helped her in mentally. Despite Mary's enviable record at the World Championships, she is yet to win a world title in 51 kg category. Her best performance in this weight division was the bronze medal at the 2012 London Olympics and an Asian Games gold. Mary switched to 51 kg at the Indian Open in May. She later went on to win gold in the President's Cup. Before we wind up the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Anti-Cape slogan rings out in Manipur at massive public rally. And Assam Rifles sieges narcotics worth ₹6 crore at Kuding Thabi Post. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.